Well, hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another daily vlog. As you can see, based on the way I'm dressed, you see, I am joining the gym today. I had a membership here about a year ago, and I joined the gym for a month, and I literally went once. Joined the gym for a month and went once. That is absolutely horrible. So 1 year later, almost to the date, I'm going to sign up again at the gym. I still have my old card thingy, so I'm gonna sign up back at the gym now. Here's the gym. Can you see it? I think it's called Express Fitness. So here we go. Oh, would you look at that? The gym. I don't even think my thing works. It doesn't work, so somebody's gonna have to let me in.
A few moments later.
Okay, how much is it gonna be? $14,250. And I have me cash in Jamaican dollars, so let's count it out. Hold on. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 50, and 200. Ta-da! By the time I'm done here, I need to look like Tiana Taylor. You seen Tiana Taylor's body? That's what I'm trying to look like. That's my goal. Alright, so I'm gonna get a trainer as well for a month. My goal is 10 pounds and to tone. See? Mostly like my pudgy right here. So we'll see how that works. So here's the gym. It's about, what time now? 2:30, which is great because the gym is empty. So there's not that many people. So maybe I'll come like around this time, like lunchtime. That's not lunchtime, like when nobody's here. You get me? I'm here with another trainer. I'm talking to all of them to see which one I'd like to go with. You can tell them your name.
I'm Ricardo with aka With Fitness on Instagram.
With Fitness on Instagram. Alright, so my goal basically is to, I'm thinking maybe 10 pounds and just to tone. Biggest area is my pudgy, and I cannot stand, no matter how much weight I lose, I always have like a little pudgy, and it's annoying as hell. So I just want to know like what
you need to do. Alright, so you just need to, well, it can happen. You can lose 10 pounds like in a month or so.
Okay.
30 days. But first you have to make sure that your diet is on point. You're eating clean food. So that is, you have to stick to cruciferous vegetables like greens and like stuff like cucumber and celery.
Okay.
You know, stuff like that that are not like high in carbs or high in fat.
I saw all the trainers. I think I'm gonna go with Ricardo. He's a student. He just told me that he goes to UANting, and what I really liked about him was the fact that he said that he would give me a meal plan, and nobody else said that. So I think I'll work with that and I'll choose him. So I got some shit to do on the road right now. Hold on. How the fuck it? I got some stuff to do on the road right now. Oh, ow. Anyways, on my way to my friend's house to, oh my god, I gotta clean this windshield. It's so dirty. What kind of green juice is this? Okay, so on my way to my friend's house. Oh, maybe I'll show you guys. Hold on. Okay, so I'm on my way to my friend's Lauren house, and she's going to be shooting a video for me for my hair. Oh my god, she told me to stop at Sugar and Spice to get her freaking, like, I'm going to the gym and this girl wants me to get her, how do I even do, is this even legal? Jesus Christ, I'm still new to driving in Jamaica. I see this man do this, I'm gonna do it. Drive not, you fucking idiot. Why would you stop in the middle of the road? Like, somebody get their shit together. Anyways, I'm on a diet. I just left the gym and this girl wants me to go get her a freaking beef patty at the freaking shop that sells all the sweet shit. Oh my God, knowing like that's my ultimate weakness. Oh my God. Pastry and cake and ice cream. Jesus Christ. Help my soul right now. Shit, this is a total one-way. Like, what the hell am I doing? I can never get the hang of driving out here. What the fuck am I doing? What are you doing, Carrie? What are you doing? Oh, those are parking spots down there. Oh, shit. I really need to get my life together. Oh, do not enter. Oh, I didn't fucking see that. Oh my God. And I'll just pull right here. I don't even think I'm supposed to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Freaking sugar and spice. Like, what the hell? And as you could see, I put on a shirt because they will not let me in this bitch. Here's sugar and spice. Tell me to see the cake over there. Oh my God. See that right there? The Danish. That's my absolute favorite. I could legit eat like 3 of those at one time. So good. This is what I got. Coconut water. This is all I got for myself. Everything else is for my friend. I go her patty over there.
A few moments later.
Lauren doesn't want to be vlogged. Well, vlog your feet.
You want to come in or not?
And she leaves her son out here. Come here, baby. My friend Lauren, she's in the bathroom right now. She doesn't want to be on camera yet. But I'm not. All right, so she's getting ready to do a hair video for me. Her hair is super long. She's getting ready to do a hair video for me. She doesn't want to be on camera yet, but in the meantime, I'm like, skidding out on her bed. Anyways, yeah, this is literally driving. Oh, the off button is not working. Oh, he mashed up the remote, so I gotta put, oh. Hey, say hi. Bye. Not bye. It is nighttime now, and I said that I was gonna come back to the gym for my very first day, bitch. This is probably like the worst time to come to the gym ever. It's packed as fuck. I don't know what it is, but for some reason at the gym in Jamaica, everybody just stares at you. They just, you know, like in America, you could have literally just bucket tour and drop getting robbed. In America, people mind their business. In Jamaica, they just stare like this. I walk in a gym, everybody's like this. Fuck's sake, I gotta pee, hold on. The point I'm saying is like, shit, hold on. The point I'm saying is, people just stare too damn much. Shit, hold on.
A few moments later.
Alright, so you guys remember Ricardo? That's who I'm gonna train with. I'm not sure if I could train with him today, but I'm gonna find him and tell him that he's the one that I want to train with. Everybody else, they're alright. The other one guy, he was kind of creepy, but probably shouldn't say that on camera. But either way, everybody else is everybody's alright, but I think I'm gonna go with Ricardo, and I think feel like I haven't been to the gym in so long, like I feel so lost that I don't even know what to do. I think I even peed my damn tights. Be right back. 32 minutes. That could work. Go. Alrighty then, 32 minutes. I have about 8 minutes to go. I just wanted you guys to see the sweat, like, I'm working out for real. There you go, a little sweat off the drip. Yeah, but I'm working out for real, for real. Currently almost dead right now. Those sets were hard. Like I legit feel like walking out.
$13, $14, $50.
Yeah, my legs legit feel like jello. That was horrible. But I'm back at it again tomorrow. Okay? So this concludes today's vlog. If you want to see more, then comment below and let me know if you like the gym vlogs. And I'll continue to do it. Alright, bye. Gonna go get food now. Oh, see me.